AC Designs.
Many of us saw some much needed rainfall throughout this afternoon and evening, but that rain now continues to move off the coast and out towards the Atlantic. But just to the west, flood watch in effect for much of the Florida panhandle as our next wave of not only rain but potentially some strong to severe storms makes its way toward us by early tomorrow morning. So New Orleans, southern Mississippi, the Alabama area, they're seeing all those rains and storms right now. But again, by 6, 7, 8 a.m. even, some of those storms are going to make their way towards us. And that is why we do have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. 50 to 70 mile per hour straight line wind gusts are going to be your primary threat as that line of storms marches its way across the first coast. But while there are still some discrete single cell thunderstorms within that entire cluster of storms, we are still going to see that tornado risk still linger around a little bit. So this is just one computer model trying to depict what exactly is going to happen. The biggest uncertainty is just how quickly the whole line is going to move through. This has it moving in a little bit slower. So 7:30, 8 a.m. it's starting to move into some of our southeast Georgia counties, the Suwannee, Columbia County starting to see some storm activity. And then by about mid-morning, 9 to 10 a.m., that's when it has it coming through much of Nassau, Duval, and northern St. Johns County. But I do think once the whole line of storms does develop, that it becomes a little bit more outflow dominant. Those winds on the leading edge start to pick up speed. So I would not be surprised if this does move in a little bit quicker than what some computer models are showing. So I'm saying 5 to 8 a.m. for many folks from Lake City further west, 7 to 9 for the Jacksonville area, Baker County, Clay County, and then 8 to 11 down south for southern St. John's, Flagler, and Putnam County. So I do think once this thing develops that whole line of storms, it's going to blow on through there rather quickly. But it's not just early in the morning. I think we could see a few more isolated showers by the late afternoon and evening then as well, primarily across our southern fringes. So south of Jacksonville, I think it's going to see the best chance for maybe a few lingering showers tomorrow evening. Now, as we look ahead to Wednesday, it's going to be a little bit warmer. We're still not done yet, though, with the rain, unfortunately, at least for folks, again, further south of Jacksonville. I think we are going to see more sun, especially by the late afternoon, but at least to start off, that cold front's still going to allow some thunderstorms and some scattered showers, primarily, again, south of Jacksonville, and that will slowly then continue to push further and further south throughout the day and into your evening. So Wednesday evening, you're going to be dry. Thursday, you're also going to be dry out there, but we are going to continue to heat up. Westerly and southwesterly winds going to continue to pump up that heat, so low 90s for both Wednesday and Thursday afternoons. And Thursday is really the only day that we're not going to see all that much rain, if any at all, because rain chances, they're going to ramp right back up then by Friday and as we look ahead to the weekend. So between tomorrow, Wednesday morning, and then looking ahead to Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday, a lot of folks could still pick up 1, 2, nearly 3 to 4 inches of rain, especially a little bit further westward where that big line of storms is going to move in tomorrow morning. So just make sure you stay weather aware. Again, likely going to be a morning event tomorrow morning after the rain clears on out. A few lingering showers tomorrow afternoon, and temperatures staying warm near 90 degrees through the rest of the week.